So the 2019-2020 English Premier League season kicks off tomorrow. And as one of the most credible voices in the sport of football, before the first ball is kicked, the Maverick is going to predict the top 6 finishers for the season. And so, with the shenanigans in the summer transfer window now over, the top 6, based on the expert analysis of the Maverick, in 6th position will be Chelsea. Best player gone. New and inexperienced coach can't buy any players. The best Chelsea can finish is 6th. In 5th position will be Manchester United. Up a place from 6th. Them business they don't sort out yet. Now in 4th position will be Tottenham Hotspurs. Lots of business done in the summer. Added to already a decent core. But 4th place for them. In 3rd position will be the Gunners of Arsenal. Busy in the transfer market. And I like Coach Emery. Arsenal to surprise. Now for the top 2. And in 2nd place will be my team Liverpool. Still think my coach Jurgen Klopp miscalculated and will short a couple of quality pieces heading into the new season. And so, the EPL champions of 2019-2020 will be, ta-da, Manchester City. Still imperious going forward with lots of pace, quality, and creativity. And importantly, they have a manager that shows very little Champions League ambition. So they're going to concentrate on the league. There you have it, the Mavericks EPL prediction. And yes, me hope me wrong.